Then thank you so much, Tim, for joining me today. I'm very happy to meet you, first of all, and then also learn a little bit more about your proposal. We already talked before. Yeah, great to meet you. But maybe do you want to give us a quick introduction to yourself and how you got into crypto and all this kind of stuff to the viewers?
Yeah, sure. So I was I guess, incumbent banker specialist. I worked on some banks in New York and Tokyo, and then finally ended up at Google around 2018, and I happened to be at a place called the Hacker Dojo, and Vitalik Buterin was speaking there, and I think he had a big influence on me. So I right away I had some idea that I thought could apply to blockchain. So I left Google and I started a company, and I moved to Vietnam. And I think since 2019 I've been working with Cardano. I have worked on a number of supply chain projects from Fund 8, and I've also built a DID system, which is used in our product today. And I was one of the original members of the town hall, Eastern Town Hall, for the Vietnam time. So it's a little bit about me.
Nice. That sounds like a very eventful last few years for you. So
Yeah.
cool. Yeah. Great. Then maybe just let's continue with the actual proposal. What are you trying to build, and what can we expect from it?
Yeah, sure. Well, I mean, having built in Web3 for a while, there's one elephant in the room, and that's the inconvenience of paying with Web3 products. And that includes moving liquidity from one blockchain to the other, or whether you're buying a product in a store. So having built Web3 products and tried to market them, I saw that that's one of the big barriers to getting general adoption of crypto. So I've developed a protocol that allows you to pay with crypto, and it doesn't really matter what crypto you're using. Could be on Ethereum with Ether, could be on Polygon with Matic. There are, in fact, 320 million users who own crypto, and that's a sizable customer base for anybody who wants to sell to somebody with crypto. But we must get through this inconvenience, these long wait times, the high costs of gas, and make Web3 as convenient as Web2. And that's the core of the product that I've built. And I think EndMaker would be a beneficiary of using this protocol. And I think it would also be excellent sort of test bed for our protocol as well.
Great. Yeah. My headphones just turned off while you were speaking, but I got the rest on my normal.
Okay.
Yeah. So that sounds really great. So the benefit is basically, from my understanding, that users can pay with whatever currency they want, whatever cryptocurrency they want, and they will still receive their NFT. And essentially, it's like an alternative almost to NMKR Pay, which would just offer more options, which of course is really cool, because then suddenly we're really talking about cross-chain and also like fast delivery speeds and so on, right?
Yeah.
Then I think that's a very good summary already. Do you have any like last thoughts or very important notes that you want to give to the viewers? Like, that's what you're voting for with this proposal, essentially.
Yeah, I think it's about making products convenient, or paying convenient, but for the merchant and for the buyer. And one of the things that we offer, for instance, for collection owners, NFT collection owners, is that they can quickly create a mint button, and then, similar to the way if you've ever added like Google Analytics to your product, you just copy paste some JavaScript to the head of your your page. Well, we have the same way that somebody who creates an NFT collection can easily create a mint button and add it to their page. And another feature that we have is that we obviously we automate uploading to NPFS and in some cases generate the metadata. But we've also found a way so that if you buy the NFT, let's say you're on Ethereum and you have an Ethereum wallet, well, we can both guarantee the delivery of that NFT. In other words, you can claw back your funds. We also have a way that you can make a claim if you feel you have the wrong NFT. So basically a DAO-based voting system. And one of our features is that we can construct a kind of dummy NFT contract on Ethereum, so that if you buy it on an Ethereum-based blockchain, which there's several of them, then that NFT becomes visible in your wallet, in your Ethereum wallet. So in effect, you have one master contract, which is Cardano, which you chose because of its cool features. It's quick finality, and it's low cost and dependability. But then you can also have the benefit of seeing it in your wallet on your Ethereum on Ethereum. And the benefit of this now is that you go out and you shop for the blockchain that's the best suited for the task, not the blockchain that has the most liquidity. And in fact, now anybody who creates a NFT collection using NMKR now has 420 million potential customers, rather than a more narrow segment, which is members of the Cardano community.
Yeah, thank you so much. I think that was a really good way to describe your proposal, actually, and I'm looking forward to the voting.